Hey guys, Lek here, back with the Spyderco Para 3 knives. I already did a full review on these, comparing the real and the fake, how to tell them apart and so on. One question that came up a lot, to show more of how the action functions and sounds and looks when you use it. So this is what this video is for. Right off the top, we have the Para 3 lightweight here. This is the jade green special edition model, and then this is like the standard G10 Para 3 all blacked out. Then we have a couple clones here, lightweight and the G10. So really quick, Para 3, this is the real deal, lightweight. Nice loud click. When I turn off the safety, it will just drop. Listen to the snap when it closes. And a beautiful action when it swings open. The G10 should be about the same. A little tighter. But that also depends on how tight the screw is here. That's not necessarily the finish of the knife. And notice how even everything is. And then this is the clone, lightweight clone. This one not close swung, it's really tight. Also, when you listen when I close it, the click is not as crispy, the blade is not as aligned. As you see, it's going more to one side. That's probably can be adjusted, but just off the top. So, real deal. Clone. Pretty similar. Now let's close them. Real deal. Clone. A lot quieter. Okay. Now the G10 models. This is the clone. And with this one, I can already hear even the ball bearings sound a little grindy. Very loose, but that can be tightened. So let's compare. Real. Clone. This is just like a, hard to describe, just like a stronger opening action. Sounds a lot of flimsier, at least on this one. I also had a micarta that I got rid of, gave it away to a buddy. It was similar, but maybe a little tighter. Now let's listen to the closing. So that's it. That's what I want to show you guys. Hope that's helpful. If you want to see more details how to tell these apart when it comes to buying real or fake, clone, whatever you want to call it, check out the links below. I have a couple of videos for the Para 3 and the Para 2 as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, follow. I have lots of how-to videos, reviews, and such comparisons as this one. Thanks for watching.